y'all. I decided to come over here and have lunch by myself. So I'm over here having lunch. Got some hummus, celery, and some cucumbers and carrots. And of course I got my doc that I always get at the juice bar. It's not gonna be a long video. I just thought I would record since I'm out here at the waterfall. So beautiful. These people got a like the little tub looking thing. We need to do that next time. I'm moving my food because the water is splashing on my food. Yum 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 yum. But anyways, today I've been having I've been having a really great day. I woke up extremely happy. I had some trades last night that were in the negative, like about, it was about like negative $70. And I woke up and I had it was about $160. So I was super excited because I didn't know how that trade was gonna go, and it went in my favor, and I'm so excited. And I just been super excited. Last night before I went to bed, I made sure my phone wasn't close to me, and it started thundering and stuff, and I didn't even have to put any sounds on or listen to no type of meditation because it was just the sounds from the thunderstorm was amazing. But I'm about to enjoy my time out here. One more time for y'all. But I'm about to go. Woo.